customer, this is Anna from Landpack. We specialize in packing machine over 16 years. Today, let us show you our 10-head filling machine line for you. This filling machine line can suitable for detergent liquid, hand soap liquid, and also milk, juice. That's no problem. This filling machine line can consist of filling machine, capping machine, labeling machine, and also injector printer with collection table. Let's go with one by one. So the first step, this is used a pump for filling for your raw materials. So you can conduct it with your raw material storage big tank to go with the upper storage hopper. So after that, the liquid we're filling in the bottles. This filling machine line can suitable for different kinds of bottles range from 100 ml to 5 liters. So it's a big range, yes. And for the filling nose, we can do customized for you for different filling range. You can say inside that is an anti-drop design to keep your filling with high accuracy. This whole set frame that is used with 4 stainless steel 304. It is very easy to clean. For the filling range, it is very easy to adjustable on the touch screen. One filling range can adjust for different mLs. That is very easy for you to adjust. This is for our capping machine. This 4-wheel capping machine, it is suitable for different kinds of caps. This capping machine with 2 conveyor belts to keep your bottle move stable, and on the top there have a cap head pressing device to keep your capping tightly, no leakage. This is our labeling machine. This labeling machine can suitable for square bottles and round bottles, can suitable one side and 2 side labeling. This labeling machine for the conveyor, it can be adjustable for the speed. This is a speed controller. And these 2 wheels, it is to do the bottle divider. So when you go in the labeling, it will be one by one. For this, on the top, it is to keep your bottles to moving smoothly and stably, to keep the double side labeling head will be keeping the stick be flat. So you can say this is a 1 side, 2 side labeling machine. After that, this is an inkjet printer. You can print your batch numbers, expiry date, your production date. It's very easy to control on the touch screen here. And this is a finished effect. After that, you have a 1.5 meters collection bottle for the sorting. So this filling machine line, it is very easy for your filling for the liquid with big quantity. So let's go and see how the whole machine running. customer, if you have any increase on orders, you can contact us at the below website. We're always there to create a menu for you. Thank you.